Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline tips. In today's video we have a total of 2 odds for you, 4 matches in total, and then before we move on to today's video, I want to say congratulations to everyone that placed yesterday 2 odds. That rounds up the month of July betting a business on our platform. So we had a total of 25 over 31 days a win. So that is, I think that should be around that 95% win rate on our platform for the past 1 month, meaning that we have had 25 winnings, 6 losses on our 2 odds series. And if you've used money management tools, which is called Masalieno money management app, you'll be able to gain some profit if you join us earlier in the month. Okay guys, if you have not liked this video, hit the like button while you continue to listen to what I have to say. This new month of August, we have a plan to continue on our daily 2 odds until the 10th of this month, which is 2 weeks from now. Okay, after that 2 weeks, you now move this to a paid service, meaning that you subscribe to gain access to our daily 2 odds. Okay, but before now and then, you should be able to raise enough money playing 2 odds daily, so that you not have any excuse to say I don't have money to subscribe or something. Moving on, our first game today is in European Champions League qualifier, where Slovan Bratislava is taking on Rinski, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals at the odds of 1.1/6. Then we move on to the second game on our list in the UEFA Conference League, where Swift Esperance is taking on the New Saints, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. Then the third on our list is a UEFA Champions League qualifier, where Olimpija is taking on Ladograd 1945, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals at full time. Then the last game on our list is a game in Champions League qualifier, where Bet Borisov is taking on RS Limassol, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals. So we have 3 under 3.5 goals and 1 over 1.5 goals. So I will stake my own, and then I'll also share you the booking code. If you have not joined BetWinner, which is our official bookmaker, you can as well join and gain the 100% sign up bonus. And when you deposit above $5, you get 100% first deposit bonus also. And also Monday and Friday you get 100% and 50% on your deposit to play. Thank you, and let me book this game for you. So the booking code for BetWinners user is X8GSM. X8GSM. I will also share this booking code in the comment section. If you have not liked this video till this minute, please kindly like this video before you leave. And also our WhatsApp number is in the comment section for those people that want to join our VIP game. So this game, I will stake this game with 1.5 million naira. So if I stake this game with 1.5 million naira, I will win 3.39 million naira. Okay guys, I've staked my own. That is my that's my bet slip. So also go and place your own bets. I believe at the end of this football series, will be able to, or the football season, I will be able to make a lot of money and accumulate wealth through sports. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.